Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning off Chrome's translation prompt so it stops appearing. Open the three-dot menu, choose Settings, then search or tap Languages. Once in Languages, find Offer to translate pages and switch it off. This stops automatic translation prompts for new pages. Make sure to check the language list below for any site-specific toggles and remove saved translations if present. Once done, restart Chrome so the setting fully applies, and you can confirm the prompt no longer appears. Next, remove any extension that injects translation features. Open extensions from the menu or type Chrome //extensions into the address bar. Locate Google Translate or any third-party translator, then toggle it off to test or click Remove to delete it permanently. Make sure to clear any extension-related data and permissions, which you can do from the extension details. Once removed, restart Chrome so orphaned UI elements disappear and confirm by visiting a foreign language. Finally, check for site-specific overrides that force translation. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings and look for language or permission entries for affected domains. Remove those overrides so Chrome reverts to your global setting. If translation still shows, reset browser settings to default or create a fresh profile to rule out profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if translation persists after these steps, sign out and back into Chrome to resync clean preferences, then test pages again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.